Hi friends, today we are going to make goto. It's like a rice porridge. So we need chicken wings, and then we need spring onion, then 1 cup of rice, and then we need 20 to 30 grams of ginger, okay? And then we need 2 bay leaves. And then we need this is optional. If you just want, you can use cubes like that, okay? And we need salt and pepper, okay? We need to pour 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And this is very easy. We're just going to saute everything. We're just going to put everything, okay? Like this. Including the baby. And then we're just going to put the rice in it. We're just going to saute everything for a few minutes, but we don't want to burn it, okay? After a few minutes, we're going to put water. For 1 cup of rice, I use about 1.5 milliliter of water. But first, I want to use 1 liter just to cook the rice first, okay? We're going to add more water later.